nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here, and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. You guys, I am so excited for this video. The second I saw this look on Ariana when she performed Thank You Next on Ellen, I freaked out and I was like, I have to do this. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm kind of freaking out, so we're just gonna get into the video. I'm pretty. Okay, you guys, we're doing Ariana Grande's Thank You Next hair. I tried to duplicate her outfit from Ellen because I had a white shirt and I had this thing that I've never worn. I wore it in a haul. The whites don't match, and it doesn't bother me. No. You know, we're gonna whip out these extensions today because the crazy thing is I thought I would end up with Sean. He wasn't a match. There's a lot of extensions in this beautiful angel's head, so we're gonna whip out as many as you can. I've never tried this look before. We're trying it for the first time, and right now my hair looks so pretty. It doesn't even need to be done, but we're gonna do it. Look at this. The top half of her hair is like pulled back, and that's best, at least for me, on greasy hair. So thank God I need to wash my hair tonight, you know what I mean? I literally just have a bag of hair. An entire bag of just hair. Now, getting into the hair, I'm gonna go in with some heat tamer, and we're gonna spray all about. Woo! Woohoo! Yes! I ate that. Now we're gonna spray the extensions. So I'm gonna start with the bottom half down here, okay? Like going really low. I'm gonna go in the bottom here with just a 2 clipper. We're gonna take the teasing comb, tease a little at the roots down here. Yes, yes, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to this sound. Ooh, that makes me feel so good. Okay, we're gonna clip it in. We're gonna take our curling wand. We're gonna point it down. We're gonna curl. Her like waves were really perfect. I don't know exactly how those were done, but I'm gonna try this technique today and we'll see if it works. They were like perfect waves. So I'm just gonna curl it tight and then pull it. I feel like this should be good, right? You see that? Good? We'll stick with that one. Okay. Same with this side. Down. Wrap it around, hold it, hold it. I'm gonna let it sit for a second and then I'm gonna pull it. So I have, because the way her waves are, they're like, how do I explain them? They're perfect, but they're like doof, 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 like perfect. Doof, doof, doof. Yes, exactly. Now I'm going to go in with just a really light layer right here, like a really small amount. I'm barely going above the last weft here. Whoop, right at the root. And again, with this hair, I'm actually gonna split this in half. We're gonna curl it, curl it, curl it. Hold it, like grab it, and pull. Yes! Oh my gosh, I am a freaking hair genius. Hold it, hold it. Do I have a piece of popcorn on my mouth? Honestly, you guys, this is like my favorite hair, I think, on Ariana ever. Besides her hair rings. I was talking to my friend Carrie. You guys know Carrie here on YouTube. We were talking about that, we agreed. It's been like our favorite styles. I mean, she looks stunning, literally 24/7. Like, okay girl, we get it. You're perfect. I'm actually going to take what I have in my hair right now and I'm gonna pull it a little farther down so it's not directly on the root, and I'm gonna pin another weft right on top of this. So I pushed it down so it's not directly at the root right there. So I have room to do another weft. So I'm actually gonna curl it right here. This looks disgusting. Yes, this is what I needed. Ooh, look at all this hair happening already. We love it. Ariana has so much hair in her head right now. I'm like, yeah, obsessed. Keep up with this. I love that look. Okay, we're doing another thin layer, and this is what I'm gonna do, my final weft for the bottom half of the hair. Okay, you guys, here we go. You guys, I can't wait for this next album, Sweetener. I was bopping around to that. That was my favorite album out right now. And then she's like, oh wait, surprise, another one's coming. And I was like, what? Is this the greatest news of my life or what? But Thank You Next was literally, it was exactly what I needed this year. I think it was something a lot of people needed this year. I mean, I went through, I don't want to call it a heartbreak, but I went through a hard time with someone this year, and it was really, really difficult, and in the end, no matter what happens in any sort of relationship, I want to be able to just be like, okay, great. I'm grateful for the times we had, what I've learned from this. I'm grateful for growing from this, and I'm going to move forward, so thank you, next. So I really, really love that she put out this song that in the end was like all about self-love and everything. And so thought that was so powerful. Love her for that. Beautiful. She did an incredible job with it, obviously. So now I'm just going to curl the rest of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with the individual wefts, just the individual clip-ins, to do the top part of the pony. I really love when she goes into the part where she's like, she taught me, you know? And I was like, yes, she handles pain. And that shit is amazing. Because you know what? Ariana's been through so much. Can we talk about that? I mean, I don't want to like repeat everything she's been through because like, oh my gosh, it's hard to talk about stuff like that. But literally, the last like what, 2 years, I feel like she's just been hit with one thing after another, and that's a way that I feel like I mean, and I'm sure you guys too can really relate to her on that, because life can be really fucking hard sometimes, and she just keeps coming out on top and growing, and that's really the only way to do it. And it's incredible to see that in a public figure who is being open about these things, because I think sometimes we feel like other people don't understand, or you look at people who are in the public eye and you just think, oh my god, they have it all, they've got it all going on, but it's like, no, they're humans, you know what I mean? Those are people that are human beings that deal with shit as well. So I think as much as it sucks that these are things that she's going through and it's really fucking hard and no one deserves to go through anything awful like the situation she's gone through within the last 2 years, it's really incredible the way that she's using her platform and how she is using her voice to vocalize that, you know what, no matter what you go through, you can always come out on top and be better than ever and turn out amazing, which I think is so that's incredible. Shout out to Ariana for being the sweetest and the best and just so inspiring to so many people. So I'm just repeating the same curls on the rest of this as well. Oh, she favors her left side like I do. Thank God, girl. Oh my goodness. If I had a part on my right side, I would still part on my left because no. It's not the move. My left side is my best side. What's your best side? Let me know. You should love all your sides, but what is the side that you're like, no, it's a picture, I need to be like this? So I'm gonna act like I'm just like parting my hair off to the side right now. Okay, I'm gonna grab like, how big is her chunk? Like that piece? Does that look like a good amount? Very cute and attractive. All right, you guys, now before I go to pull everything back and up, I'm actually going to, now this is when I'm going to take the individuals and I'm going to pin these back like this. I can't really see what I'm doing right now, so I'm just kind of winging it, but we'll figure it out. Perfect. Okay, so her hair kind of goes like up at a line. Do you know what I mean? It goes like whoosh. And then this is when everything is like perfectly slicked back. I have these freaking baby hairs though. Ariana? I don't know, I'm yelling at her. She did not birth me with these baby hairs. My mother did. Love you, Mom. I'm gonna use a thicker rubber band because I just want it to sit up higher. And this will hold it up higher, so. Here we go. Woo! Hold it around tight. Okay, I don't see my finishing cream, but I have some leave-in conditioner right here, which, fun fact, I love to use to like sleek back any looks. So we're gonna use this. Move my bangs. Move my Ariana bangs. We love that. Now we're gonna take a piece from underneath and wrap it around the hair tie, because that's what she had done. So perfectly. And take a hair tie. We're gonna, not a hair tie, I'm taking a bobby pin. Gonna pin it in there. We're gonna go like this. Perfect wrap around. Hold it for a sec. Pull it. Now. Oh my god, did I just do Ariana Grande hair? Holy shit, no way. Holy shit, no way. I need these baby hairs to like stay in place. I love the way you make me feel. I love it, but I love it even more when you listen to me and don't fucking move. I just turned myself into a blonde Ariana. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, wait. I want to like make these gentle because her waves were like soft and pretty. Yeah, there we go. I love it. Holy
Did you like this video? I hope you did. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I want to cry. I feel so pretty right now, and I'm so proud of Ariana and the song and everything. Like, she's just someone that she needs all the love in the world right now, so go give her all of that like we already are doing. I cannot wait for this next album to drop. Sweetener has been like the one thing I've had on repeat, so I'm like, what could be better right now? But then she dropped Thank You Next, and I was like, shit, bitch. And so I'm so excited to see what else is coming. Anyways, I love you, babe, so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. This was so much fun. Why did I have so much fun with this? This has been probably my favorite hair video.